Hey everyone, it's Holar again. The best, one of the best, let me say the best chef in the DFW area.
Do what? Ignore him. Hi, my name is Penny Kamalafe. I'm a chef and a restaurant owner, and I'm going to be at New Covenant House on Sunday. Guess what? It's going to be Jollof Wars. It's the first edition at New Covenant House. It's going to be amazing. You have never seen anything like this before. Well, I'll tell them more.
So now she's decided I tell you guys more, right? This weekend it will be war, but let's just pause. This Sunday, if you're not in New Covenant House, I don't know where you guys are gonna be. We need to figure out this matter. Now, when I go help us to solve it, now when I go help us to solve the matter, we need to know what country exactly makes the best jollof. Me for sure, Senegalese. I don't know where this is coming from, but you guys are need to come and help us, George. You guys help us come with takes. Okay, what exactly is happening? What else do you have to tell us?
So, guys, bring your grandmother's recipe, your auntie's uncle, great grandfather's recipe. Bring it on board. I'll be there, and I'm gonna win. Like, I'm a winner. I always win. So, come and beat me to it. Bring your recipe and come and show us what you got. Anyway, I'm a Ninja babe. Ninja all day long, baby. We're winning. Who's with me? Hola, Senegalese.
Please tell me the essence of jollof. Jollof that you will make and all the pots done. In fact, all the pots, everything is a let you do. Yes, time. So you guys just leave that one on me. I'll be right there with my stick and all that good stuff. Once again, it's a New Covenant House on Sunday after service. When I pull up, you guys will tell us who exactly makes the best jollof. And apart from that, we also, apart from, we doing all of this good things, we're also going to be socializing. And if you're not there on Sunday, I don't know what else you guys want, but we'll see you all on Sunday. And our Auntie Kenya, Auntie Jollof, tell us what you want to tell us.
Honestly, beside the jollof is the main thing. Right. But beside the jollof, it promises to be an amazing time. Food, fun, laughter. You get to catch up with people. You always rush out from church. You get to meet a lot of new people and taste Nigerian smoky party jollof. You know what I mean? See you on Sunday. Have a good one. Bye.